Do you still need a website when you have nice social standing? This is a good question. If you have good following in Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, or combined all platforms, do you still need a website or not? This is interesting because people still asking this question. This question is answered a lot of years ago, because whenever the World Wide Web got the exposure, you should have your own website. Because think of something like Instagram. Maybe it's available on your mobile phone as an app, but what is happening here that Instagram itself is a website, Facebook is a website, TikTok is a website. Actually, these social media platforms, they made their website engaging to the people. That means if you are a business and you're looking for getting clients, you should expose yourself into those media. People will come to Instagram or TikTok to see the reels, to watch the reels. Also, someone is coming to Facebook to scroll their newsfeed. If they can find you, they would definitely be a follower of yours. Actually, there are some interests in people. Some people, they just love to watch your content, but it's not always that they are your ideal customers. Maybe some teenager who loves your content, who is your regular follower, he watches your content each and every day, comments there, engaging viewer, but he cannot be your ideal customer. Maybe his father or mother would be. So it's not always likely to be the social media following be your ideal customers. But yeah, if your social media following is too big, you can definitely filter out your ideal customer profile from there. So what you have to do is to post regularly on social media, but as a CTA or call to action, you always have to ask people to visit your website, because maybe you have shown how to adjust a tile in the flooring. That can be a trick, or that can be how you solve such a problem in an efficient way, so you can show your professionalism into that video. But at the end of the video, if you ask for visiting your website, that would be appreciable, because the website will be selling to people. They will be asking them to contact them if they need any sort of service. Yeah, you can definitely do that directly in your video, but those will be somewhat persuading. You're not doing that. So the ideal thing is to always redirect your viewers to your website, so that you can track them by your ad pixels. Pixel is broad topic. I would be discussing pixel in near future in another video, but you can think pixel like a tracker. Maybe you're running meta ad campaign on Facebook and Instagram. Pixel can help to track the viewers who came to your website and then retarget your ad campaigns to only those who have visited your website. So for redirecting, having a website and combine with your social media ad campaign, that would be a win-win situation. But if you think your social media would alone push you to the customer gaining process, no, that cannot be, because the social media is there to engage people, not to be your customers. Yeah, maybe from ads or any sort of video, your viewers coming to your website, visiting your website. In this way, they would be engaging with your professionalism, very likely to be your customer. But if they can only be viewers, your only videos cannot convert them. To convert them, your digital salesman, which is your website, can be very, very handy. If you need any help with this, you can definitely contact me. You can visit passivecoder.com for book an appointment for free, and I can be there to help you or discuss your website's topic. So maybe we'd meet in another video. This is all for today. Have a nice day.